Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue our tank game. So let's continue it. So now we have a moving tank that can't go through the red walls. Yes. So let's go. So in this part we're going to make the bullets. So I can use Sprite, paint it, and we'll take the circle and color 0. Hold down shift while making the circle. That's too big, I think. There you go. Now we'll name it, I don't know, red bullet. Put code, event, when green flag clicked, we will hide it, and then forever if key, I'll go for key, wait. Going for key T, and then we will go to control, create clone of myself, and we will wait 1 second, and then when I start as a clone we'll show it, motion, we will go to red, and then we'll point in direction, sensing, direction of red, and then with control, repeat until operators, or touching red wall or touching edge, go to motion, we'll move 10 steps, and then we will go to control, we'll delete this clone. So let's see, move around, press T key. Oh, as you can see, there's a lag here, so we'll fix that. So it's pretty simple. We'll go to looks, we will go to back layer, now there's no glitch, and then actually what we're going to do, go to costumes, we'll select this, we'll move it to the right, use arrow keys, lot, and there, I think. So now let's see, that's still not much. Let's go for red. Let's copy this, copy, go to red bullet, we'll paste, and then you'll see that, and then we'll put it just right here. So we'll delete that. There you go. So now I think that should do it. There you go. You can shoot it. So now we're going to make the blue side. For that, we're going to stage. We'll make a nice grassy backdrop. There you go. So now a trick here, we'll just duplicate everything. Duplicate, duplicate. Let's go to red. Okay. We'll name this blue. We'll select the fill tool, and then we'll pick a nice blue out here. There you go. Go here. Call it blue wall, and fill that. Lastly, we'll call this blue bullet. Fill it. And then let's go to blue first. Go to code. Okay, so now we'll just go for the arrow keys. Change these to the arrow keys. Okay. Right arrow. Left arrow. And then that's it, I think. Oh, now we'll add something here. Let's go back to red. We'll go to operators. Now there's two walls, so you have to do this. Duplicate. Touching blue wall. We'll put this out. We'll get this. And then we'll do the same for the blue. Operators or touching blue wall. Okay, there you go. Now we'll go to blue wall. We'll change this to 95. Now we'll go to blue bullet. We'll make more ors here. Or I think, okay, touching, make another or. Touching blue wall. Get this. Touching red. Now drag that in, and then we'll put this in the red bullet, so it'll be easier. And then we're going to change this to touching blue. And then we'll make a variables. We'll call it red lives, and we'll call it blue lives. And then let's test it first. So, oh, one more thing here for the blue. We'll point in direction -90. We'll set this to 180. Now, okay, so let's test this. I can move. Press Y for the red. Oh, T. Oh, T. Okay, let's go back to blue bullet. We will change this to, I'm gonna pick N. So N. Oh, sorry. We'll go to blue, and then the direction of blue too. Now, okay, it works. So now, let's test this. So, at the very beginning, we will go to the blue bullet. Variables, we'll set blue lives to 3. Set red lives to 3. Let's try. If touching red, we will change red lives by -1, and we'll delete this clone. Let's try that. We will put this in the red bullet. In here we'll put if touching blue. So let's test that. So oops. Let's try M. There you go. T. Ooh, T. Oh. Here we'll change blue life by -1. And then we'll go to the red wall. Forever X. We'll add an if. Equal sign. Variables. If red lives equals 0, then we'll stop all. And then we'll go to operators. Now we'll not stop, we'll just go to red. If equal sign red lives equals 0, then we will hide this, and then we'll stop the script. We'll do that to the blue color too. If blue lives equals 0, we'll stop the script, hide and stop the script. And then at the very beginning, we will show, do the same to the red, show. So I think that's it. Let me test it. Very quick. So let's set it to the blue. And there you go. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.